So we're on the mainland. We're going to adventure near Whistler and Squamish. Destination is we're going to go to an outdoor sauna. I've been to one by there last year, but we're going to check out a different one. So see you when we get there. Hey, headed to the sauna. So excited. We hope it's cool. Sauna here, it's so nice. Look at where the waterfall is in the background there. It's so freaking cool, and it's just in this nestled right into the forest here. So we're gonna go on in. Ooh, this is gonna be so cold. Okay, we're doing it. 1, 2, 3. Woo! 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 God, that's cold. Woo! We got this rope here. Woo! It's so lovely. Went into the water. It was very hot. We were actually the only ones there for quite a while, and then we met another gal that was in there. She's super nice. And now we're just getting ready to leave and on to the next event. Bye, sauna. It was a slice. I just forgot to bring my GoPro, but we went to Mainland Falls, so that's the drone video that you just saw of those falls. Super nice. Ooh, it's not a very far walk at all. So now we're gonna go to Backcountry Brewery. It's the best brewery in Squamish, so I'll show you guys there when we get there. Now we are situated our Airbnb for the night. We're gonna go in the hot tub later, and we're just kind of hanging out. It's dark now because it's dark at 4:30. So yeah, we're gonna attempt to maybe go to the hot springs tomorrow because some people have gone there. So we'll see. So stay tuned for that. Walking to the hot springs. We just decided we're gonna try to see if they're open. So far, so good. So we'll see you if we get there. To the hot springs, and we met these two lovely girls that were here too. So nice. It was definitely a trek to get here, for sure. It was, we took a wrong turn, tried to go down the hill, and now we finally are soaking. So nice. I have been wanting to come here for years, so this is so amazing here. So what do you guys think about these hot springs? Love it. Yeah. So nice. So lovely. This pool is the best one. There's 2 up there and they're scalding hot. I actually was in here for the longest time though. Yay! so amazing. We actually got it to ourselves for a little while as well. This is cold. And there's some hot springs just kind of like in the forest here. So I imagine when it gets busy, people probably go over here. Oh, this place is so beautiful. This one is very muddy. This pool is definitely like warm, where those ones are hot. This is in a beautiful forest setting, as you can see. So I can see how this one might be nice. It's definitely a lot cooler. The other one, the first one right by the river there, is the best one. It's just the perfect temperature. We're gonna get going now. It's been such an amazing time here. I'm very sad to leave. I'm so excited that we got here though, and we'll see you on the trails back.